wonderland out here, y'all. Alright, it's your boy CeeLo from Smoking Metal Car Fart back at y'all with another video. It's been a minute since y'all seen my pretty face. You know, y'all been seeing my son and my daughter. It's been a minute. So, I'm back. We got some snow on the ground. We made it up out the driveway, number one.
No, last year we couldn't do that.
Yeah, last year we couldn't make it out the driveway. So, with that being said, make sure y'all give this video a big thumbs up. If y'all watching it at home or on your cell phone, whichever one y'all watching, just give it a big thumbs up. And we get ready to see if I can get this young man to his new winter job. And it's in the winter and he just got the job starting yesterday. In the snow, right before the snowstorm.
Yesterday there was no snow on the ground.
Right. Now look at today. Now he gotta get to his new job in the snow.
Mind y'all just watched me clean off the vehicle. That was about 3 or 4 inches of snow in a night.
Right. Talking about bad days. It was a bad day. Now we out here in the 4-wheel drive cracking. We're gonna see how this day gonna go. We either gonna make it to his job, or I'm gonna make it to his job and then don't make it back home. Let's not hope for that. You know what I mean? I got a buddy with another 4-wheel drive vehicle. What's up, y'all? Oh, he went and got a Jeep. Okay. That's the new people just moved in the trailer park. They went and got them a Jeep. You better went and got you a Jeep.
That van wasn't gonna make it.
A little SUV. But
yeah, a minivan.
You gotta say, sometimes the little SUVs be making it.
Yeah, they had a minivan.
Do we want to take a back road?
Which one sounds fun?
I mean, which one is quicker though, right now? You know what I mean?
That way, because we don't have to worry about no traffic or anything this way.
I totally dig it. But
and it's unplowed, so it would have been fun.
yeah, I guess.
Well, it would have been plowed because they started plowing last year.
I'll be coming back through on my own.
That's unfair.
While he at work.
That's unfair.
We gonna hit the main roads instead of the back roads because our fun turns into a longer period of time. So we just gonna nip that in the
That's because your fun don't like to stop till we get caught by the police.
Yeah, or you know, crash into a handicap pole. You know, so we gonna get the young man to work safely today. So that's where we at with that. I'm taking him to work. Get that paycheck because he still got to repair this truck that he broke.
Only a little bit.
We ain't even talking about the truck that he broke. We're going to get to that conversation later. But yeah, he broke my truck, y'all.
I'm working on fixing it.
He definitely is working on fixing it. And he is working on paying for it. But the point is, he broke my truck, y'all. All over a piece of that good old young 22. So, you know, we've all been there, we've all done it. So, some can say it and some can't. So, we're going to go on and get to this ride. I'm only going to let y'all check it out a little bit because I know y'all probably get bored with PA snow. Because that's what we got, our first PA snowstorm. They was talking like 12. So, we ended up with, I don't know yet. They're between 12 and 8 right now.
So far, we're at like 4 to 5. 3 or 4, 4 or 5.
And it ain't supposed to stop snowing until tomorrow afternoon.
Tomorrow at 7 p.m. The road's actually pretty clear, surprisingly. I mean, like you see the sludge on the side. Sludge right there.
It is. To me, it's clear, pretty good. But you got black ice out here.
Right.
That other people don't pay attention to. And that's how accidents happen. So, we're going to take it on easy, get the young man to work safe. It's going to be a little late, but they going to be happy that he's there because they short staffed.
Oh, late. It's already 4.
Said you're going to be there a little late. So, catch y'all in a minute.
Well, side by side got snow in.
This type stuff, like ice on bridges is bad. Yeah, I don't know about coming back down this way. Look at it. It's bad. They said Eisenhower wasn't no good.
Eisenhower.
Yeah, I'ma say we backed up all the way to this truck, and that'd be pretty sucky if that truck is moving that slow. No, it ain't. It's just somebody in front of it. Feel it sliding. Well, I tell you, just because you got four-wheel drive don't mean nothing. Real talk.
You got a plow in the front of his truck.
Yeah, but if he plow right here, he gonna do nothing but plow it on the front of it and stop his ass eventually. We stopping it going? What we doing? Keep turning. And they would have stopped, they'd have probably had a problem. Because he spent sideways.
Yeah, this car in front of it is struggling.
Yeah.
Sir, what is you doing out here walking? With no coat on, by the way.
Probably from the next dealership. I don't know about the hill. Wanna try it? Can't see it yet, can you? We gonna try
The
it.
hill's pretty clear.
It looks clear.
They struggled.
Yeah, we gonna try it. Gonna pull it.
I think we can.
All right. Hey, y'all, fingers crossed that we can make it up
Look.
this whole hill. Woo.
We're gonna try.
Yeah, but I ain't coming down it. I'm going the long way.
Yeah. That zoom in was kind of helpful. Just to see,
Yeah, just
see
so
what.
that way they can see what we out here in. And imagine
We're going straight, and we're going up this.
The sad part is,
You can't see the top.
I gotta come back and get you when you get off of work, my
Look,
brother.
you can't see the top.
No, you can't. How many people going up? There's a couple people behind me. We either gonna turn around or we gonna make it.
We're shooting for the ladder.
We shooting.
Had to spit off.
Light. They turn. Everybody turn it behind me.
He said, I ain't doing it. No, someone's coming. I don't know if they're gonna go all the way up. They coming. I didn't realize that our lane was the only one that was not plowed. Here comes the real challenge. Mind you, we're on an incline.
Incline, y'all. Incline.
We got it, we got it, we got it, we got it.
Somebody else coming up.
We ain't the only ones. Oh, wait for them to get over there. There they are.
He's a big curve.
I wouldn't doubt it.
And he gonna want to be picked up later, y'all. Just saying. It was a Ford Explorer. The new one.
Well, I guess it wasn't found on road dead.
Right. You see how I'm coming to the stop? Okay.
Back farther because of the snow.
So that way this truck don't slide, because I hammer him into that and then send him across the street. And this car gonna be in the street. So therefore, always remember, slow down.
Slow down soon.
Yeah, way early. Don't care about the other people's. Yeah, that way your mama can have some footage to see what we had to go through to get you in.
Look at that.
And they at Walmart. They had the family eye care. They get their eyes checked in this shit.
Oh, I wanted to put my window down. But look at that, because it's blurry through the window.
It's terrible out here. Come on, I ain't gonna write you. I'll let you stay over there.
Yeah, because you can't get it over too much farther. Ooh, they got tinted out windows.
Yeah, they're looking at you. Uh-oh, we got an accident. Oh, no.
He was like, content.
Yeah.
It was one of those things where it was like, oh, it's an accident, but yes,
Right.
content.
See me like, uh-oh, it's an accident.
Uh-oh, it don't look like you can get in.
First of all, how they gonna want y'all to come to work and they ain't even plowed the entrance to the job? Y'all see where we going, right? They ain't even plowed the entrance. I gotta make my own lane, my own driveway.
That's what the Kraken does, though.
Yeah. I'll wait till it's busting. All right, you gonna stop, Mr. Bus? No, you're not.
Of course not.
Come on, Mr. Bus.
He took that way wide.
You better.
Here we go. Hey, Dad, do it if you done this clear out the parking lot.
Your job will fire you instantly.
Not wrong.
Your job will fire you instantly. Boy, why your daddy out there acting like that?
So you guys actually have a parking lot again?
Look, you here. We made it to Denny's, y'all. So the young man works for Denny's now. So this is his new job, full-time, well, part-time, because y'all know he still go to school. Getting ready to be 18 in 10 days, 9. So make sure y'all come back. Wish him happy birthday on Thanksgiving if we have a video. I'll catch y'all in a little bit. It's your boy CeeLo from Smoking Metal Car Fun. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, smash that notification bell so y'all get all upcoming content that I put out.
You say 9 days to my birthday?
We'll see what happened next. Ain't it 9?
Yo, I know my birthday.
It's the 28th. What's today's date?
22nd.
Okay, got my
Well,
bad.
we're gonna have to end this
6
here.
days.